Hey guys, welcome back, and today I am back with another watch review, and this is the HMT Gandaberund, which is really nice, a form of Janata, but very different and very close to the culture of India. So the watch features a 36 mm case, 18 mm lug width, push fit acrylic crystal here. The Karnataka state emblem, that is the Gandaberund, the two-headed bird related to Indian culture, has been shown here. The numerals are all in Kannada language. I am not sure what exactly the language is called itself in Kannada, but I can say that this is all very nicely done. Very very special watch from HMT that features this kind of numeral. The hands are painted blue. Hour, minute and seconds gives a very nice contrast, and the logo itself is in very nice gentle blue color. The watch is hand winding only with the 0231 HMT movement. The entire watch has an appearance of HMT Janata. The standard 18 mm lug sports a very nicely made leather strap, and the case back here is really well made with HMT Gandaberund logo, shockproof, movement, water resistant and stainless steel. The Parashock is the shockproof technology here, and very nicely etched Gandaberund logo as well. So very close to the state of Karnataka kind of thing. And I think that this watch was made for some special occasion in the state of Karnataka, and I was lucky enough to collect one. So the story on Gandaberund goes as follows. As we all know that Hiranyakashipu was killed by the Narsimha avatar, or the Narsimha incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So what happened after that? Even after killing Hiranyakashipu, the form of Narsimha was so fierce that it had to be contained, and it was creating destruction all around. So to subdue Narsimha, Lord Shiva took a form of Sharabha and another creature, fierce creature, and they had a huge fight. But in order to subdue Sharabha, Vishnu again took form of Gandaberund, a very large two-headed bird, and tried to overpower Sharabha. And the battle was so fierce that it destroyed almost everything in the surroundings. Just after some time, two gods realized that their petty fight is causing destruction to humanity, and they immediately withdrew from the war, and then they returned back to their original form. And their duty as gods, as Lord Vishnu, you say, is the caretaker of the world, and the Lord Shiva, as you know, is the destroyer of the world after their due time. So they return to their basic form, but the logo the form which Lord Vishnu took in form of Gandaberunda was adopted as Karnataka state emblem, and in every of their official document you can see this logo, and this is something really cool to have in my possession. A really good, a really nicely made watch. So here it is, the HMT Gandaberund, and thanks for watching my channel. Do like, share and subscribe. Have a nice one.